Hi everyone, so I reached out to Michael from Danzy Designs because I was feeling a bit lost in my business. My business is a service. We provide marketplace events, business support to kind of small micro businesses, and it was getting to the point where I was struggling to figure out a way to kind of niche down the product offering that we had. So I met with Michael because I'd seen a few of his videos online and I thought, okay, seems like he knows what he's talking about in this area. Now, I was a little bit kind of unsure of how he'd be able to help me in terms of, I didn't think he'd be able to help me as much as he did. What he did was he really broke down the business that I offer. He broke down the kind of fundamentals of the business so that I could understand exactly who I was trying to target this to. Because the reality is, in business, I guess not everybody is going to be your ideal customer, and that's okay. And I think for me, until that point, I was kind of thinking, I need to promote this to everyone in every single way. I didn't have a very clear bespoke offering, and that was the problem. So sitting down with Michael really helped me to clarify my vision. It helped me to leave with more confidence, to know that I could implement certain strategies to then create the funnels that would bring the correct customers to us, so that we weren't constantly out there trying to search and get people through the door. But for me, as the kind of owner of the business, I was struggling to articulate exactly how that would benefit the customer. So what Michael enabled us to do was break it down into 3 sections so that you could understand exactly what the pain points were, exactly what your customer wants, so that when you're doing your marketing, you're setting up your landing pages, you know exactly what language and messaging needs to be on there. So for anyone who's considering speaking to Michael, I highly recommend it, because it's a thing where you're never going to leave without learning something. If you're someone who's experienced in marketing, he will enable you. He will kind of pitch it to where you're at, because he's got a wealth of experience. He knows how to help individuals no matter what stage they're at. So if you are someone who's kind of struggling with your marketing, struggling with your customer avatar, you don't know how to target your ideal client, Michael is your go-to. He's significantly helped me to clarify my vision. It's helped with a lot of the other projects that I'm running as well. I can use the similar techniques and approaches that Michael has taught me through the consultancy that he's given. So highly recommend you get in touch with Michael. You will not regret it.